Sorry I wasn't so set up there, but I'm back. Sorry I haven't been recording much, and I'm back with a friend of mine. We are going to do something stupid on Diamond Store on Payday 2, because I don't know. Ready up, bruh. Ready up.
Come on. Come on.
Dude, I'm recording right now.
No, nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Yeah, lamp.
Viewers are watching.
Obviously I have people watching right now, more than likely. And stop eating hot fries every time I have to terminate the contract, which I might do that right now. I'm gonna do it.
No, what's your payday truck?
Alright, get ready.
Alright, I think we know the strategy here.
What?
I think we know the strategy to this one.
I need to look up. How do you see, do I just type
It's
in
raining
Golden
heavily.
Payday?
It's holy crap, it's raining heavily, if you guys can hear it.
Is it Golden Wolf?
Just Golden Wolf, dude. Just look through the channels until you find a playlist with 2 videos of Payday 2. That's it. Now that that's on, I can leave this stealthily. But you guys didn't know there's an ATM right here. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not gonna waste it yet. Fire station. Dude, there's a guy wall sitting over here. Well, he knows me.
Stay down. Get down.
Golden Wolf Payday.
Stay down.
I think you're in one. I'm not too sure.
How many subscribers do you have?
15.
Is it saying Payday Stealth, they win and I fail?
Yes, that's one of the videos, if you guys remember. Yes, that's one of them.
My stomach is burning. My stomach is burning. How do I subscribe, man? Did you make a little update?
Yeah, that's one of them. Yeah, that is.
That's what your face looks like. I've never seen that crap before.
Well, you better put on your mask here soon, because I took out the camera guy.
No, that's what your face looks like?
Yeah, that's one of my videos, obviously, so what do you think?
Subscribe! God dang it!
What?
Wait, when you were
I just got lucky. I got lucky. Oh, guys, did you see that? Oh, no, the Hobbit, the Hobbit! Ah! Serious help!
No, I can't right now! I'm switching TV! Oh my god, hey! I'm still good! I'm gonna make it every year! I'm still busy looking at your channel! Go!
Don't break the glass yet!
Kill everybody! Kill everybody! Murder everybody! Die! Oh, that person! Die! Die! Just die! Die! I'm punching everybody!
You think they'll let you go with all that innocent blood on your hands?
Die!
Ryan.
Is everyone dead? Did we just do this?
I don't know. I think I lost a lot of money.
Stay down.
I think you did. Oh, I hear someone screaming. I hear someone screaming.
That's the alarm, guys.
Dang it, man!
Hey, you know what that means? You know what that means?
I'm not eating any more hot fries, man.
Alright.
20 counting. Cops imminent.
Bro, when you were playing the Geometry Dash on your channel, did you,
Oh, I see the door.
was that on your, were you doing, like, level challenges?
Yeah.
Or, were you on club stuff at that time, or no?
No. Well,
What levels were you on?
well, on my PC, obviously, I think everyone knows on my channel which I was on.
What?
If you look on my videos, I think you would find out. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean or anything.
Damn. Ah! That I hate that. Ah!
I think we should set up for saw everything up and like get the money. I mainly use the Bronco or the Deagle. That's basically what I use from that stuffing. This is my mastermind skill tree so far.
Bro, we need to do some Left 4 Dead stuff again.
Oh yeah, I remember that recording. The Left 4 Dead 2 stuff, yeah.
Bro, were you, you left off on Time Machine?
Yeah. I did. If you notice correctly, we are doing a bank heist cash. If you do know, I'm still recording. I don't even think you realize that I'm actually recording right now, and you're gonna be seeing this on my channel later. That you're not paying attention.
The bank jumping cash doesn't mean
Why is it so glitchy?
Because I use the recording software that's glitchy, and why not? I mean, it's not bad, but it's good for recording. Can we play Bank Heist Cash now?
We should do a video where we play freaking
Tekken?
No, you wanna play Left 4 Dead, you wanna stop recording and we play Left 4 Dead?
Maybe after this recording, but okay. I think we've gotten off topic of why I've been not losing any. Like, all right, let's just do this. Let's just do this.
Okay, we're doing this one. We're gonna see if we can stealth it, man.
my guys.
You do realize what I'm carrying, right?
God dang it!
All right. You're gonna be stuck. You're gonna stuck.
No! We're gonna put on my heavy gear then.
Stay down.
All right then. I guess I have to invite you again. Sorry about that.
I have 3 hot fries right now.
Wait, sorry. And you have to eat an extra 2 because you left.
Stay low.
And you want me to deal with the pain the whole game?
Stay down. Stay where you are. Everybody stay.
Oh God. Is that demonic or something?
Stay still. Looks like we're about to get busy.
Wait, what? Wolf, you do realize that you are a part of the squad, right? Wolf? Wolf! Wolf? I I know I'm loading in and you're frozen, but when I get unfrozen, I expect you to move. Your face moves, but not your body. Oh, I'm being shot at. I hope you get shot at, Wolf. I think Wolf's glitched. I really do. Look at Wolf. He's still sitting there. Look at him. He's still sitting there. What you doing over there, Wolf? Dude, look at Wolf. He's glitched. Look at him. All I had to do was yell at him. I was expecting something else. Dude, your mic's echoing. I think you might, That took a little bit. Wolf does not have a mask on! Wolf doesn't have a mask on! Well, come here. Come here, Wolf. What do you think you're doing having the police see your face like this? I mean, professionals don't do this. Get over here, Wolf. You don't have a mask on! I'm waiting on Wolf to go into custody because it's gonna be his own fault if he does.
So guys, viewers, tell Jesse he's gonna lose when we play After Dead. Tell him what happened when we can you pull like footage of what happened to me when we were playing Payday?
No, I wasn't recording then, so no.
God dang it, tell us what happened then.
Basically, all I was doing was eating hot fries. Well, most people are gonna say.
Okay.
And you're not gonna have proof, and I'm not gonna have proof for these guys. They're gonna believe me that you were eating hot fries for no apparent reason.
I know. But the story is, what I was talking about is that we were playing, right, and I was saying, I'm still gonna get a mask, and I was getting mad, and for no apparent reason.
Cloaker!
And one time, I got the monkey business mask.
Okay, look, the drill
I
down.
said, watch me get so good at mask again. So I get a mask, but I get monkey business again. And I say, watch me get a mask.
No, I'm not going over there. I'm not going over there.
And I get furious cancel for whatever apparent reason.
I'm going over there.
Annoying because how loud I was.
This is the best strategy to confuse the shield.
Hey, watch it.
Don't make your taco, buddy.
Watch this cop, man.
In a bit.
No, I like to punch cops. Dad, you're still gonna lose unless for this.
I don't remember that happening last time. Not do we?
Sweetie, I lost tonight.
No you didn't actually, you won.
I did?
Yeah, I remember, you won like 20 by 25, I think. Somewhere around there.
So we're doing stuff, yes, you call a rematch?
If you want, I don't really care at the moment.